For the fifth time, the European biotech specialist BIOCOM invited experts from all over the continent to take part in the annual Berlin Conference on IP in Life Sciences. This year's topic, Antibodies and Beyond, Modern Immune Therapies. The festive Swiss embassy, right in Berlin's political heart, proved to be the perfect location for exchanging opinions and catching up on the latest trends in the European antibody market. The Swiss ambassador welcomed around 100 participants. He emphasized the importance for Switzerland of the biotech industry in general and antibodies in particular.
Biotechnology and life science is a very important aspect of the Swiss industrial side. We are happy to host this gathering here as an expression that Switzerland plays an important role in the area concerned.
Representatives from all of the major biotech companies involved in the antibody market were on hand. One of them, this year's keynote speaker and Micromet's CSO, Patrick Beuerle. His opening remarks were awaited with great anticipation. Micromet is developing a new class of bispecific antibodies. With success. Amgen paid no less than $1.2 billion earlier this year to acquire the company.
Followed up by many of the big pharma companies. The list is getting very short of those companies that don't engage in bispecific antibodies, interestingly. And now, with Micromet, the first bispecific antibody company is being bought by big pharma, and it's a quite sizable price tag here.
The antibody market is the fastest growing segment in biotech at the moment. 4 of the industry's top 10 blockbusters are antibodies. No wonder the biggest biotech collaborations and acquisitions occur in the antibody market. But striking a balance between smaller and bigger companies is the key to success, according to the CEO of the Swiss Biotech Association, Domenico Alexakis.
We try to get a very nice balance between David and Goliath, and if we play this game well, then it's success. If we don't, then I think the small guys will suffer, but the big guys won't be able to fill their pipeline.
This was just one of the many interesting topics participants discussed after the first set of presentations. After a lively exchange of opinions, participants looked forward to hearing about the latest therapeutic approaches. Jörg Thomas Regula depicted one of Roche's new targets from the initial idea to the final product. Patent protection was among the more controversial of the conference's topics. One of the experts in this important area, Alexa von Uexküll.
Patents are, of course, of paramount importance because of the substantial costs involved in developing antibodies and bringing them onto market. And so in order to ensure any form of returns, it is absolutely mandatory that you actually have a patent. And if at all possible, you should also try and secure supplemental protection certificates, because usually that is the most relevant period of protection.
At the end of an eventful day, Claire Scantleberry, who moderated the event, summed up the diverse topics discussed at the conference.
This kind of event is really important because it's not just a scientific event, it's not just a business event, it covers every single aspect of bringing a technology through from the basic lab through to application into the clinic.
Maintaining top positions in the healthcare market will be a big challenge for today's antibody producers. Effectiveness and cost efficiency will be the key drivers for the successful introduction of novel immune therapies in the future. And the participants in the Berlin conference explored many ways to accomplish this aim.